Hello class 6, my name is Mrs. Amrita Shahi. I'll be teaching you social studies. It means I will teach you history, civics and geography. Today I am teaching you history number 1, the River Valley Civilizations. First part, the River Valley Civilizations. First part, today we will be studying. While studying this chapter, you will see BC, AD, BCE, these time of period will be coming. So, you need to understand what is the meaning of these abbreviation or these word. Okay. First one, BC. The meaning of BC is BC, the meaning of BC is before Christ. Okay, the meaning of BC is before Christ. AD, Anno Domini. The meaning of AD is Anno Domini. Okay, now this word will also come CE. CE. The meaning of CE is common era. Okay? Common era. Now, BCE. The meaning of BCE is before common era. Okay, the meaning of BCE is before common era. BCE and AD, BCE and AD, they both are same. It means we talk AD and BCE. They are writing in different way, but the meaning, the period which I mentioned, they both are same. Okay. Chapter name is the River Valley Civilizations. Civilization. What? Civilization. What is the meaning of civilization? Civilization means a society. Civilization means a society which has its own developed culture and a way of life. A society which has its own developed culture and way of life. This is the meaning of civilization. In Neolithic period, people started living in small village. Men lived in small villages, but after some time later, these villages became what? Larger. They converted into larger villages. Their needs, population increased, then also their needs also increased. As a result, many new arts, skills, craft and occupations also developed. All this brought about a new lifestyle when a man began to live in towns, then developed villages. They were called towns. They were made like also maybe they had more facilities as compared to the villages. All to live in towns, it marked the beginning of civilizations. Those who live, generally people, those who live in towns or in cities, they are called civilized. The way of living, they have better than a person who live in village. Civilization may be explained as the stage of man's development when he started looking beyond the simple satisfaction of his basic needs of food, clothing and shelter. Now our next topic is major ancient civilizations of the world. Major civilizations. These are major civilizations of the major ancient civilizations of the world. Their names are: first one, the Indus Valley civilization, and this civilization was developed near Indus River. That's why the name was given Indus Valley civilization. Second one, the Tigris and Euphrates civilization in Mesopotamia. It means this civilization was developed near a river Tigris and Euphrates. Okay. Third one, the Nile Valley civilization in Egypt. Fourth, the Vamos Valley civilization, which is in China. Fifth one, Greek civilization, and sixth one, Iranian civilization. Greek civilization and sixth one, Iranian civilization. All these six major civilizations, they are major ancient civilizations of the world. Now the question is, why most of the ancient civilizations were developed near river? What were the reasons behind it? First one, availability of water. They could get water easily if they settle near a river. Also, water is used for drinking and for other necessities. Second one, water is essential for growing crops, for irrigating their field. Water was essential. That's why they started settling near river. Also, river was only the means of transportation of that period. That's why most of the civilizations were developed near rivers. Okay. Why people started settling near rivers of early period? First reason was for drinking and to irrigate fields. For irrigating fields, they need what? Water. And for drinking also, for household necessities, we need water. That's why they started settling down near rivers. Soil near river was fertile. Okay. Third one, water was used for transport goods. For sending goods from one place to another, they use water as means of transport. Okay. Now, next one was river valley had good pastures for animals to graze on. The fodder for animals was easily available near river. That's why people started settling near rivers. Period when Indus Valley civilization was developed was from 2600 to 1900 BC. This was the period when this civilization was flourished. In BC, we count the period in backward, 2600 to 1900. We are coming from far to closer. We count it like this. While in AD, we move forward. Okay. So, remember, while studying in BC, we move backward, 2600 to 1900. It means 2600 to 1900. Then 1900 we will move like this. Okay, so don't be confused. The discovery of the Indus Valley civilization. It means any civilization was there in that particular area who discovered it. In 1921, R.B. Dayaram Sahani, an Indian archaeologist. Archaeologist, the meaning of archaeologist is scientist who study the remains of past civilization. Okay, they are called archaeologists. Found a number of seals from the village Harappa, now in Pakistan. Harappa is in Pakistan. Next year in 1922, a huge city was excavated. Excavated means to uncover by digging away and removing the earth that covers it. They excavate and they only got to know any civilization was there in past. A huge city was excavated hidden under the sands and bricks of Harappa. The same year, R.D. Banerjee made similar excavations in Mohenjo-daro in Sindh. Sindh is also in Pakistan. Thus, the Archaeological Survey of India unearthed one of the greatest ancient civilization of the world. Now, known as the Indus civilization or the Harappan culture. Now, sources of Harappan culture. Sources means evidence. What were the evidence through that we got to know the civilization was present in this region? Okay. Sources of Harappan culture. The main sources of Harappan culture are the archaeological evidences, proof, sources. These include the ruins of ancient cities, buildings, pottery, seals, toys, weights and measures, ornaments, tools and weapons. All these were the evidence or sources of Harappan culture. This is what? This is called seal. These are seals. More than 2000 seals have been found at different sites of the Indus Valley civilization. These are made up of different materials such as pottery, steatite, glazed earthenware, ivory, etc. Okay, what are seals? First thing, they are important source of information about Indus Valley civilization. Second one, and the second question is, what are seals or what is seal? Seal is a device for making an impression in wax, clay, paper or some other medium. Sites of the Indus Valley civilization. Sites, regions where they were found. Okay, sites or places where this civilization was present in earlier time. Okay, see, with the help of this you will understand. These were the ancient what? Ancient civilizations. Harappan and Vedic civilization, Indus Valley civilization was present in this region. Huanghu civilization, it was developed here. Chinese civilization. Mesopotamian civilization near river Tigris and Euphrates. Okay. Here Egyptian civilization, Egypt. Roman civilization was here and Greek civilization here. This was the area which was covered by Indus Valley civilization. Here you can see Lothal, Gujarat and Kalibangam. Kalibangam here, Kalibangam near in Punjab, okay, and then Ropar, Punjab, Alamgiri, Uttar Pradesh, Alamgiripur, it is written over there, is in Uttar Pradesh. Then Banwali, Hisar, Banwali, Hisar, Haryana. It should be here only here. It is not given, but Banwali, Hisar. And then Banwali is here. Okay, Banwali is here. Then Kot Diji is in Pakistan, Kot Diji. These were the major sites where ruins of Mohenjo-daro and Harappan civilization were found. Okay, these were the sites. It means Indus Valley civilization was developed near this region. In this region, Indus River is here. This is Indus River. That's why this civilization was developed here. And these were the places where this civilization was flourished. Yes, class. These are some new words which have come in this chapter. New words, you can say definitions also. Okay. First one, archaeologists. Who are archaeologists? Scientists. They are scientists. Archaeologists, they are actually what? They are scientists. Who study? Scientists who study the remains of past civilizations. Scientists who study the remains of past civilizations. Past civilization or study group of people. Okay, they are called what? Archaeologists. They are called archaeologists. Now, second one, excavated. What is the meaning or meaning of excavated? To uncover something. To uncover something by digging and removing the earth that covers it. With the help of JCBs and modern machines, they excavate the land. Okay, they dig the land and removing the earth that covers the ruins or the evidence. Okay, they just take out these evidence or ruins or sources from there. Okay, these were the two new words you have to learn. You have to learn these two words. They will be coming frequently in this chapter. So you need to know the meaning of these words. That's all for the day. We will study features of Indus Valley civilization in next video. Okay, thank you. And you have to make, before that, you have to make a register for your history civics work. Okay, one register for history civics and another for geography. You should have two registers for social studies. One register for history civics and another for geography. Okay, and do your work neatly. Understood? That's all for the day. Thank you.